We Indians are masters of planning education, weddings, retirement, you name it. But what about planning for the unexpected? What if suddenly the main breadwinner isn't around tomorrow? Ignoring this risk doesn't make it disappear. Your income is the backbone of your family's world: rent, school fees, groceries, dreams. Imagine that income vanishing overnight. Terrifying, right? Protecting your family isn't just about today, it's about ensuring their security, even if you're not there. That's where financial planning comes in, not as a complex puzzle, but as a simple promise. We buy helmets and install safety grills, but often forget the most crucial protection: our family's financial future. Life is unpredictable. The Kal Ho Na Ho philosophy is cinematic, but real life needs a plan. Term life insurance is the simplest, most effective tool for this. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a promise that your family will be okay, no matter what. In the next sections, we'll break down term insurance, bust myths, and show you how to become your family's financial guardian angel. Let's get started on building that fortress of security for those who matter most. Let's demystify term life insurance. Think of it as the samosa of financial products: simple, reliable, and does one job brilliantly: pure financial protection. You pay a small premium for a set period. If something happens to you during that time, your family gets a large pre-decided sum. If you outlive the policy, you don't get money back, and that's okay. It's like car insurance: you pay for peace of mind, not a payout. Term insurance isn't an investment, it's protection, like rent or a security guard. Imagine it as a financial bodyguard for your family, there when you need it most. When the contract ends and everyone's safe, you part ways, grateful for the security. Because there's no investment component, you get high coverage for a low premium. Many expect returns on every rupee, but term insurance is about risk coverage, not returns. As per IRDAI, insurance's core purpose is to cover risk. Term plans stick to this principle. It's the foundation of your financial house. Start with this before anything else. So, how much does this financial bodyguard cost? The premium is based on your risk profile. Age is key: the younger and healthier you are, the lower your premium. That's why buying early locks in low rates for decades. Health and lifestyle matter too. Smokers and those with health issues pay more. Be honest in your disclosures. Hiding facts can lead to claim rejection. The sum assured and policy term also affect your premium. Higher cover and longer terms cost more. Your job matters. Desk jobs pay less than high-risk professions. Even gender plays a role. Women often get lower premiums. The advertised low premium is just a starting point. Your final quote is personalized. It's a fair system, matching your premium to your unique risk. That's how insurers keep the promise tailored to you. Now, let's talk about the superpowers of term insurance. First, affordability: massive cover for a small premium, often less than your monthly OTT subscriptions. Second, instant high coverage: your family is protected for the full sum assured from day one. This payout can replace your income, pay off loans, fund education, and cover living expenses. Third, tax benefits: premiums are tax deductible under Section 80C, and payouts are tax-free under Section 10(10)(d). Your family gets the full amount, no taxman involved. Finally, simplicity: no market-linked returns, no complex tracking, just a clear death benefit. Easy to understand, compare, and manage. Government schemes like Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana highlight this transparency. Term insurance is the most straightforward, trustworthy life cover you can buy. It's peace of mind made simple. Protect your family's dreams, not just their present. That's the real power of term insurance. Ready to buy? Here's how to pick the right term plan. Don't just pick a random number. Calculate your sum assured based on your family's needs. Aim for 10-15 times your annual income, or add up liabilities, future goals, and living expenses, then subtract savings. It's better to be slightly overinsured than underinsured. Use online aggregators like Policy Bazaar to compare plans, features, premiums, and claim settlement ratios. A high CSR above 97-98% means the insurer reliably pays claims. Don't just chase the lowest premium. Reliability matters more. Consult a trusted advisor to understand the fine print and ensure accurate disclosures. This is a long-term contract. Do your research and compare diligently. The right plan is an investment in your family's peace of mind. Take your time, but don't delay. Secure the best for your loved ones. Think of riders as the side dishes to your main course. They enhance your term plan for a small extra cost. Choose only those relevant to your life, not just for the sake of it. The accidental death benefit rider gives an extra payout if death is accidental. a real boost given India's accident rates. The critical illness rider pays a lump sum on diagnosis of major illnesses, helping with treatment costs and lost income. The waiver of premium rider keeps your cover active if you become disabled and can't pay premiums. Assess your health, job, and lifestyle to pick the right riders. Riders make your policy more comprehensive without breaking the bank. Don't overdo it, customize for your needs. The right add-ons can make a big difference when life throws a curveball. Make your safety net even stronger. Claiming term insurance is simpler than you think. The nominee informs the insurer online, by email, or at a branch. Submit the claim form, policy document, death certificate, and nominee's ID and bank details. For accidental deaths, fire or post-mortem reports may be needed. Insurers must settle claims within 30 days, or 90 if more investigation is needed. Honest disclosures mean claims are rarely rejected. High CSRs prove this. Once approved, the sum assured is transferred tax-free to your nominee's account. Keep policy documents safe and inform your nominee where they are. A little organization now ensures your family gets support without hassle. Make the process easy for your loved ones. We've covered everything from what term insurance is to how to claim it. It's a massive shield for a small cost, with tax benefits and simplicity. But knowledge without action is useless. The best time to buy was yesterday, the next best is now. Every year you wait, premiums rise and your family stays exposed. That first premium is an investment in your family's peace of mind. It's a declaration of love that lasts beyond your presence. The process is quick. Get a quote and apply online in minutes. Promise yourself. Move from thinking to doing. Talk to your spouse. Calculate your needs, compare plans, and take action. Buy that term plan. Give your family the gift of certainty. Don't wait for a wake-up call. Be the planner, the protector. Secure their happily ever after today.